George, Lisa Eric Jimenez, Melinda Consolacion, Edel Umlas, Gloria Panlilio, Ernesto Dizon, Tony Hecker, Florencia M. Dairit, Evelyn Beltran, Eusebio Reynor C. Esteban, Diana Policarpio, Edric David, J.P. Rivera, Amor Velasquez, Federico Tan Jr., Harvey Pelayo, Heinz Pelayo, Amor Velasquez, Edric David, Chloe and Cassie Ranay, Linda Casino, Edric Rivera, Heinz and Harvey Pelayo, Amor Velasquez, Maria Victoria Luge, Robert John Rivera, Alberto Torres, and those whom we pray for healing.